I'm gonna pull the boat out, take it up to the house and install that. I bought a bilge pump that automatically cuts itself on and off when the water rises in the boat. And I've had a couple of situations where this has, well, I had one where the boat sunk and flooded the battery and ruined a good battery. So, everybody, not everybody, but a few people have told me I should get one of those, and I think they're right. I think I did get one of those. So, we'll pull this out of the water. We're going camping next weekend anyway. This weekend. So, since we're going to be gone, probably makes sense to pull the boat out. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow too. So, it makes sense to get the boat out and do some stuff with it. Oh, joy. I saw him.
Guess we can clean it out a little while you got the boat out.
Yeah, I don't have that top cover on the top, but I think it'll go home okay.
You don't have what?
The cover, and I'll put that on. I think it'll go home like the way I've got the straps.